In this video, we will do the poem number 6 of Honeysuckle, The Wonderful Words. I'll be explaining the poem in Hindi. After that, we will do the question answer for the same. So let's start. The Wonderful Word. Imagine a world without language. All humans speak at least one language. The words we speaking the words we speak bring out our thoughts. Read the following poem on words. किसी भाषा के बारे में सोचो जिसमें शब्द ही ना हो. सभी ह्यूमंस कम से कम एक भाषा ज़रूर बोलते हैं. जो शब्द हम बोलते हैं उनसे हमारे विचार व्यक्त होते हैं. इस कविता को पढ़िए जो शब्दों के बारे में है. नेवर लेट अ थॉट श्रिवल एंड डाई फॉर वॉन्ट of a way to say it. For English is a wonderful game, and all of you can play it. All that you do is match the words to the brightest thoughts in your head so that they come out clear and true, and handsomely groomed and fed. For many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. इस कविता में कवि ये कहना चाहता है कि हमें कभी भी अपने विचारों को मारना नहीं चाहिए. उसे व्यक्त करने के लिए शब्दों का प्रयोग करना चाहिए. और अंग्रेजी भाषा एक अद्भुत भाषा है जिसमें आप बहुत सारे शब्दों का प्रयोग अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करने के लिए कर सकते हैं. तो आपके मन में जो भी बहुत अच्छे विचार हैं उनको व्यक्त कीजिए. सत्य और जितना साफ शब्दों में कह सकते हैं उसको कहिए. कई लोगों के लिए ये बात सत्य होती है कि बहुत सी सुंदर बातें जो उनके दिमाग में हैं और वो शायद उन्होंने कभी किसी से नहीं कही. Words are the food and dress of thought. They give it its body and swing. And everyone's longing today to hear some fresh and beautiful thing. But only words can free a thought from its prison behind your eyes. Maybe your mind is holding now a marvelous new surprise. शब्द विचारों को व्यक्त करने का तरीका होते हैं. वह विचारों का खाना और उनका कपड़ा होते हैं. वह उसे एक शरीर प्रदान करते हैं. आपके मस्तिष्क में, आपकी आंखों के पीछे बहुत सारे ऐसे विचार हैं जो शब्दों के बिना व्यक्त नहीं किए जा सकते. उन्हें जेल से बाहर निकालिए और उन शब्दों को बयान कीजिए. हो सकता है कि आपके मस्तिष्क में शायद ऐसे कुछ विचार हों जो दूसरों को आश्चर्यचकित कर दें या बहुत ही अद्भुत हों. तो इस कविता में कवि ने शब्द के बारे में बताते हुए यह बताया है कि भाषा के लिए शब्द कितने ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हैं और उनका इस्तेमाल क्यों आवश्यक है. सो दैट कंप्लीट्स योर पोएम नंबर 6. नाउ वी विल मूव टू द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. Page number 83, working with the poem. With your partner, complete the following sentences in your own words using the ideas in the poem. First, do not let a thought shrivel and die because, for want of a way to say it. Second, English is a wonderful game with words that everyone can play. Third, one has to match to the brightest thoughts in your head. Fourth, words are the food and dress of thought. We move to question number 2. In a group of 4, discuss the following lines and their meanings. First, all that you do is match the words to the brightest thoughts in your head. The answer is, the poet says that you only have to select words to express your thoughts present in your head. Second, for many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. The answer is, the poet encourages reader to convert their thoughts into words and speak them as these are loveliest things that never yet been said. Third, and everyone's longing today to hear some fresh and beautiful thing. The answer is, all the people are listening to the same thoughts. Everyone is excited to hear some new things, so speak your thoughts brilliantly. Fourth, but only words can free a thought from its prison behind your eyes. You have thoughts in your mind, but it is in prison behind your eyes. You need to free thoughts by giving them words. So, this completes your poem number 6 of Honeysuckle. We will do the next poem in our next video. All the students are requested to note down all the chapters, question, answers, and summary in your notebook. I'm sure some of you are already doing it. When you are back in school, the first thing would be that we will check your notebooks. Thank you.